autism treatments, well, there's a ton of them out there. And most of them are based on the model that autism is incurable and that it's genetically based and it's primarily localized to the brain. Now, new research is upending all of this and showing that it's actually a condition that's systemic. It means whole body. And it's got a strong physiological basis. And the primary considerations are the immune system and the associated inflammation, oxidative stress, mitochondrial dysfunction, and then there is the effect of environmental pollutants. Now, I believe that at the base of those physiological issues is where we have to work. And that's going to be primarily, to me, mitochondrial dysfunction, because the child doesn't have the ability to produce the energy that he or she needs to do the work of the body. And this is another reason why most kids do not become autistic until after about 12 months, upward to 18 months, 24 months. It just takes that long for the body's physiology and biochemistry to break down. And it's breaking down for a whole bunch of reasons, if you accept that model. And one is diet-based. I just wrote a book called The Glycation Factor. Glycation is when blood sugar or glucose binds to all the proteins that make up your body. That's a glycated protein. And glycation is, at the root, one of the major problems and causes of autism. Now, that's a fairly easy one to fix, because what you do is you restrict the carbohydrate intake of the child. Now, that's not that easy to do. These kids are very persnickety in terms of what they will eat and what they won't eat. So at least we know it, and we can move in that direction and try that out. And then there's all the behavior therapies. I haven't seen that these work very well, because until you fix the basic physiology, until you get that child producing energy, how can you fix any of the behavioral things if there's no energy there to do it? So this is why that kind of therapy is misdirected. And this physiological issue that I'm talking about, that research has just come out in the last 5 years. So it's pretty brand new. And there's only a few research papers on it. I just got a review article from 2011 that describes all this stuff. So you got to have the right model. If you're going to help and you're going to treat and you're going to design a treatment protocol, you've got to have the right model to work on. And I just don't think most people have the right model. This whole behavior thing is misdirected. Oh, down the road, okay. But you've got to get the child healthy first. And that's the issue at hand. And that's what I do. I'm pretty good at doing that. So do I do a lot of nutritional supplements? No, I haven't found that they work that well. I'm much more interested in the bioenergy medicine model. This is a model that is very, very powerful, but little used, little understood. The medical establishment knows nothing about it. So, but I do, and I know how to use it. And I can use it for you and your child. I'm Dr. Greg Ellis.